I'm Jayson from TELUS Market. My shift is over and I just got home. Let me show you how to cook my spicy pinakbet with lechon kawali from TELUS International's A Taste of Diversity cookbook.
For the ingredients: squash cut into cubes, string beans cut into 2 inches, eggplant cut into pieces, your eggs chopped into 1,000 pieces. Just kidding. Sigarilyas, siling haba or green chilies, cut them into 2 inches. Okra cut into 2 to 3 pieces. Chopped onions, sliced tomatoes, crushed garlic, julienne cut ginger, shrimp paste, anchovy sauce, ground black pepper, salt, bay leaf, cooking oil, pork belly.
Alright, so let's start with the veggies. Over medium heat, with 2 tablespoons of oil, now add the onions and the ginger. Adding the tomatoes.
When the tomatoes are wilted, add the garlic. That is to prevent the garlic from burning. Toss the squash into the pot and cook for 7 minutes. Add the string beans, okra, ampalaya, eggplant, winged beans, and green chili. Don't forget to stir. Ikot, ikot lang, ikot, ikot, ikot. Now add the anchovy sauce and shrimp paste. Stir constantly to make sure that the vegetables cook evenly. Cook for 5 more minutes. Season with ground black pepper, then set aside. In a pot, boil water enough to submerge the pork belly. Add garlic, peppercorns, bay leaf, and salt. Once the water is boiling, add the pork belly and keep it boiling for 15 minutes. Then strain. Empty the pot and get ready to fry. Put oil in the pot, wait for it to heat up, then start frying until the pork belly turns light brown. Remove it from the pot and let it rest until it cools down. Now here's the secret to a crispy lechon kawali. Fry it again for the 2nd time until golden brown. Yum!
It's plating time. Alright, so let's try to get all of it in one bite. That's how you're supposed to eat it. It's big. So good. This is so Pinoy. Now let's try the crispy pork. I hope the double fry works. You say that? Awesome. I hope you can taste what I'm tasting right now. I'm gonna continue eating. I'm so hungry, but before I go, please don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.